Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Math Method. Hi, now we will start with Heron's formula. Heron's formula is for area of triangle is equal to area is equal to root over s into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c. Clear? Here s is equal to a plus b plus c by 2 means s is our semi perimeter. Clear? Now a is equal to BC side, B is equal to AC side and C is equal to AB side. Clear? Now we will go to the exercise 12.1. 12.1 first question. Says 12.1 page number 202. The first question given is a traffic signal board indicating school ahead is an equilateral triangle with side A. Find the area of the signal board using Heron's formula. If its perimeter is 180 cm, what will be the area of the signal board? So we have to draw first the triangle. Question number 1. The drawing is let A, B and C is a triangle and here written SC school ahead. Now it is given that ABC is an equilateral triangle whose sides are A and S. Now let the traffic signal board is triangle ABC. Clear? Now as per given this semi perimeter of triangle ABC is equal to S is equal to A plus A by 2 implies S is equal to 3A by 2. Clear? Therefore now using Heron's formula, area of triangle ABC, area of triangle ABC is equal to root over S into S minus A, S minus B into S minus C. Here A is equal to B is equal to C, that is A implies area is equal to root over S is equal to 3A minus 2, 3A by 2 into 3A by 2 minus A into 3A by 2 minus A into 3A by 2 minus A implies A is equal to root over 3A by 2 into 3A minus 2, 3A by 2 minus A is equal to 3A minus 2 into A, 2A is equal to A by 2 into similarly A by 2 into A by 2 is equal to root over 3A by 2 into A into A into A is equal to A cube by 2 into 2 into 2 is equal to 8 is equal to root over 3A fourth, A to the power of 1 into A to the power of 3 is equal to A to the power of 4 by 16 is equal to root over 3 divided by 4 into root over A fourth is equal to A square, that is square unit. This is our first answer, that is find the area of the signal board using Heron's formula. It is clear. Now the second part is, if its perimeter is 180 centimeter, what will be the area of the signal board? Now part 2, given perimeter of the signal board is equal to 180 semi. Therefore semi perimeter S implies perimeter of equilateral triangle is equal to 3A means implies 3A means 3 into equal sides implies 3A is equal to 180 semi implies A is equal to 180 divided by 3 semi implies A is equal to 60 centimeter. Clear? Now here A is equal to 60 meter means all sides are 60 centimeters. Now S is equal to, here S is equal to semi perimeter means 180 divided by 2 is equal to 90 semi. Therefore S is equal to 90 semi. Now here what will be the area of the signal board? Therefore area using now using Heron's formula area of triangle ABC is equal to root over S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C implies area A is equal to root over 90 into 90 minus 60 into 90 minus 60 into 90 minus 60 implies area A is equal to root over 90 into 90 minus 60 30 into 30 into 30 is equal to 90 into 30 into 30 implies A is equal to, here 30 is multiplied 2 times, means 30, and here another 90 into 30, and 90 is equal to 90 into 3, and 30 into 3, and here is another 30, means another 30 into root over 3, implies A is equal to 30 into 30, 900 root 3, here centimeter square. This is our answer. Here what will be the area of the signal board? Now the area of the signal board is equal to 90 root 3 semi square is our answer. We will start question number 2. Here the triangular side walls of a flyover have been used for advertisement. The sides of the walls are 122 meters, 22 meters and 120 meters. The advertisements yield an earning of 5,000 rupees per meter square per year. A company has hired one of its walls for 3 months. How much rent did it pay? For 3 months. Question number is 2. Question number 2. Now here see, the sides of triangles are 120 meters, 22 meters and 122 meters. Clear? Now here it is given that A is equal to 122 meter, B is equal to 22 meters and C is equal to 120 meters. Now here semi perimeter, that is S meter, S is equal to A plus B plus C by 2 is equal to 122 plus 22 plus 120 divided by 2 is equal to 264 divided by 2 is equal to 132 centimeter. Therefore S is equal to 132 centimeter. Clear? Now using Heron's formula, area of triangle is equal to, now using Heron's formula, area of triangle is equal to root over S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. Now A is equal to root over, here S is equal to 132 into 132 minus 122 into 132 minus 22 into 132 minus 120. Clear? Now A is equal to root over 132 into 132 minus 122 is equal to 10 into 1 is equal to 110 into 12. Clear? Implies A is equal to root over 132 is equal to 11 into 12 into 10 into, here 110 is equal to 10 into 11 into 12 is equal to square root, means we have taken two 12s multiplied with each other, therefore we will take only 1 into, here 10 is 2 times, therefore 110, and 11 is 1 and 2 is 11 is equal to 12 into 10 into 11 is equal to 1320 meter square. This is our area. Now clear, area of triangle is equal to 1320 meter square. Therefore this is given that the rent for advertisement. Now the rent for advertisement is for 1 year, 1 year at the, which is for 1 year, that is rupees 5000 per meter square. Therefore here is area is our 1320 meter square. Now the cost of advertisement for 1320 meter square is equal to 5000 into 1320. This is our rupee is equal to 5 into 2 10 1 13 into 5 is equal to 65, that plus 1 6, and here 3 zeros, that is rupees 6,60,000 for 1 year. Now therefore the cost of advertisement for 1320 meter square is equal to 66 lakhs. Clear? Therefore for 1 year, and the question is what will be the rent of its wall for 3 months. 3 months means this is for 12 months. Now cost of advertisement for 3 months is equal to 3 months means 12 3 months divided by 12 months. 3 months is equal to 3 is equal to 1 by 4 year. Therefore is equal to 1 by 4 into 66 lakhs is equal to is divided by 12 month is equal to our answer is equal to rupees 16 lakhs 50,000 equal to 16 lakhs 50,000 rupees. Clear? Therefore the rent paid by the rent paid by the company is rupees 16 lakhs 50,000 is our answer. Clear? Now question number 3. There is a slide in park. Slide means slope. In one of its side wall has been painted in some colors with a message, keep the park green and clean. Here is the message. If the sides of the walls are 15 meters, 11 meters and 6 meters, find the area painted in color. Means we have to find out the area where the color is being painted. Here question number 3. Question number 3. Question number 3 is, it is given that the sides of colored triangular walls walls are, one is 15 meter, another is 11 meter, and third one is 6 meters. Now here the semi perimeter that is S is equal to A plus B plus C by 2 implies S is equal to here 15 plus 11 plus 6 divided by 2 is equal to total 32 divided by 2 is equal to 16 meters. Clear? Now here semi perimeter is our 16 meter. Now we have to put using Heron's formula. Now using Heron's formula, area of colored triangular wall is equal to root over S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. Therefore area is our A is equal to root over S is equal to our 16 into 16 minus 15 into 16 minus 11 into 16 minus 6 is equal to root over 16 into 16 minus 15 is 1, 16 minus 15 11 is equal to 5, and 16 minus 6 is equal to our 10 is equal to 16 into 1 into 5 into 10 is equal to our, see, 16 into 1 into 5 into 10, 5 is equal to, this is root over 16 is equal to 4, and here 5 into 5 is equal to our 5, and root 2 is equal to 20 root 2 square and meter. Here root over 16 into 1 into 5 into 10 is equal to 16 is equal to 4 into 4 into 1 into 5 into, here 10 is equal to 5 into 2. We have to take 1 4 from 2 4s, that is 1 4 into, here 2 5s is multiplied with each other, therefore 1 5, and here as it is given only 2, therefore it is our root 2 is equal to 4 into 5 is equal to 20 root 2. This is here area is equal to 20 root 2 square meter, that is meter square. Clear? Now the area of the question is find the area painted in color. Therefore the area painted in color is equal to 20 root 2 meter square. This is our answer. Now we will start with question number 4. Find the area of triangle whose two sides of which are 18 centimeter and 10 centimeters and the perimeter is 42 centimeter. Here two sides are given and we have to find out the area of triangle where perimeter is 42 centimeter, which is given. Right? Now question number 4. It is given that A is equal to 18 centimeter, B is equal to 10 centimeter, and perimeter is equal to 42 centimeter. Therefore A plus B plus C is equal to 42 centimeter, implies here A is equal to 18 plus 10 plus C is equal to 42 centimeter, implies 18 plus 10 28 plus C is equal to 42 centimeter, implies C is equal to transpose 28 to RHS, 42 minus 28 implies C is equal to 42 minus 28 is equal to 14 centimeters. Clear? Here A, B and C are, we know A is equal to 18 centimeter, B is equal to 10 semi and C is equal to 14 semi. Now we will find out the semi perimeter. Semi perimeter, here S is equal to A plus B plus C by 2, where A plus B plus C is equal to 42, that is 42 by 2 is equal to 21 semi. Here S is equal to 21 semi. Now area of triangle, area of triangle is equal to root over S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. Now here S is equal to our 21 semi is equal to root over 21 into 21 minus 18 into 21 minus 10 into 21 minus 14 centimeters is equal to root over 21 into 21 minus 18 3 into 21 minus 10 11 into 21 minus 14 is equal to 7. Here is equal to, similarly 21 we have to do factorization of 21, that is 7 into 3 into here 3 into 11 into 7. So root over means we have taken 1 7 from 2, that is 1 7 into here 3 are 2 times, therefore 1 3, then root over 11 is equal to 21 root over 11 centimeter square, that is our area. Therefore the area of triangle is equal to 21 root over 11. The value of root over 11 is equal to 21 into root over 11 is equal to approximately 3.3, which is equal to 21 into 3.3 is equal to 69.3 centimeter square. So find the area of the triangle. Now the area of triangle is equal to area of the triangle is 69.3 centimeter square. This is our answer. Clear? Now we will do question number 5. Here question number 5 is, sides of a triangle are in the ratio 12:17:25. Here the ratio of the sides of a triangle, that is 12:17:25, and its perimeter is given, which is 540 centimeter. Find the area. So at first we have to find out the sides of a triangle and then perimeter, which is given 540 centimeters. Then after finding the value of sides, then we will find the area of the triangle. Now see question number 5, where let the sides of the triangle be 12x, 17x and 25x. 12x, 17x and 25x. Now it is given that perimeter of of triangle which is 540 centimeter. Therefore 12x plus 17x plus 25x is equal to 540 semi, implies add 12, 17 and 25 which is equal to 54x is equal to 540, implies x is equal to 540 divided by 54 which is equal to x is equal to 10 semi. Clear? Not semi, only 10. Now therefore the sides of the triangle will be 17x is equal to 17 into 10 is equal to 170 semi, and another is one is 17, another is 12x is equal to 12 into 10 which is equal to 120 semi, and third one is 25, 25x is equal to 25 into 10 which is equal to 250 centimeter. Clear? Here we found that three sides of triangle are 15, that is 15, 25, 25, 25x is equal to, therefore now we will find out the perimeter, the given that semi perimeter is equal to, here perimeter is given 540 divided by 2 is equal to 220 centimeter. Therefore semi perimeter is our x, s, therefore s is equal to 270 semi. Now area of triangle, now area of triangle is equal to A, which is equal to root over s into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c. Therefore A is equal to root over, here s is equal to our 270 into s is equal to again 270 minus, here a is equal to 120 into 270 minus 170, and another side is 270 minus 250. Clear? Is equal to root over 270 into 270 minus 120 is equal to 150 into 270 minus 170 is equal to 100 into 270 minus 250 is equal to 20. Clear? Which is equal to root over 3 into 3 into 3 into 10, 270, that is into, here 150 is equal to 10 into 15 is equal to 3 into 5, again 100 is equal to 10 into 10 into 220 is equal to 2 into 10. Now 2 3 we will take only 1 into, here 1 3 and another 3, we will take 2 from 1, 1 from 2 into, here 2 times 10 we will take only 1, another 10 into 10 into, here 20, here 5 into 2 is equal to 10 and here is 10 into 10 is equal to 3 into 3 9, 9 into 1000 is equal to 9000 centimeter square. Here The question is find its area. Therefore, the area of the triangle is 9000 centimeter square. Clear? This is our answer. Now we will find out question number 6. Question number 6 is given: an isosceles triangle has perimeter 30 centimeter and each of the equal sides is 12, means two sides are 12 centimeter each, and find the area of the triangle. Clear? Now question number 6. Here given that A is equal to 12 semi and B is equal to also 12 semi, because isosceles triangle has any two sides equal with each other. Therefore, and perimeter is given as 30 centimeters. 30 semi implies A plus B plus C is equal to 30 semi, implies here A 12 plus 12 plus C is equal to 30, implies 12 plus 12 24, implies 24 plus C is equal to 30, implies C is equal to 30 minus 24, implies C is equal to 30 minus 24 is equal to 6 semi. Here A is equal to 12, B is equal to 12 and C is equal to 6 semi. Now we have to find out the semi perimeter. The semi perimeter is equal to S is equal to A plus B plus C by 2, where A plus B plus C is equal to 30 divided by 2 is equal to 15 centimeter. Clear? Now area of triangle is equal to area of triangle is equal to A is equal to root over S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C, implies A is equal to root over, here S is equal to our 15 into 15 minus 12 into 15 minus 12 into 15 minus C is our 6 is equal to root over 15 into 15 minus 12 is equal to 3 into 3 into 9 is equal to 15 into 3 into 3 into 9 is equal to, we have to do factorization. 15 is equal to 5 into 3 into 3 into 3 into, here 9 is equal to 3 into 3. Clear? We will take only 1 3 from 2 is equal to, here 2 3 1 and another 3 into root over 5 into 3 is equal to 15 is equal to 3 into 3 9 root over 15 centimeter square. Therefore area of triangle is 9 root over 15 centimeter square. This is our answer. Now 12.1 chapter is over, finish. Hope you will enjoy it and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.